He's so shy.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's so cute.
Bye-bye, Mousy.
Bye, my pet mouse. Bye.
Today for Mousetrap Monday, I'm going to make a trap with my kids out of this kit, and we're going to catch a mouse in the barn with the genuine Woodbury mousetrap. These traps are currently for sale on Amazon, although I have a feeling they'll sell out soon, and there's different options on what kind of wood you want them made out of. These are functional mousetraps, but in my opinion, they're really works of art and collectible. Now you can catch a mouse with them by lifting up the door. You place bait in the back, you tilt it forward, the mouse will try to get the bait, walk in the back, it will tilt, and they're caught. But I wouldn't want to catch a mouse with these. They're too beautiful. But they are a good mousetrap, and the origin is explained in this book here. It's a great book to read with your kids, but basically, Victor has a soft spot for mice, and he didn't want to kill them in the snap traps. He wanted to catch them and release them outside. Originally, Victor called this trap the genuine Yankee mouse trap. I don't think he made very many of these, and he sold them locally, but after seeing it show up in one of my videos, he started production and renamed it the genuine Woodbury mousetrap. So let me show you how this trap works, then we're going to build it with my kids and catch a mouse in the barn with this mousetrap kit. We'll go ahead and set it by tilting the trap forward and slightly angling the door forward. Then our pet mouse will go inside and show us how this trap works. As soon as he climbed inside the trap, he was caught. To release him, you just lift up the door and let him go free. So I read the book with Ruby, my daughter here, she's 3, and now we're gonna build the mouse trap. And what are you most excited about using? The glue. So we'll open up this kit. It has everything we need to make our mouse trap. Can you help me pull this plastic off? It's always fun to open stuff, right? Yeah. It's like Christmas. There's the glue. What shape is that in?
A heart.
It has a heart shape. She likes that. Some rubber bands to hold things in place while the glue dries, and some instructions. And then, what's all this?
Puzzle.
It's like a puzzle. So that's what's fun about this, is it's like a puzzle with all the wooden pieces. And when you're done, we can make a mouse trap and actually catch a mouse. Are you excited about that? So we have right here, instruction says, this piece is the end.
Dad, can I glue it?
You want to glue it? We'll get it all lined up and then glue it, and I'll help you. It's going to be kind of messy though, okay?
I can do it.
You can do it, yep. Oh, so the first part here is there's some lines for the balance point with this heart. So this is the bottom piece, and we're going to put it in there. It fits perfectly. It's going to tilt. If you don't put it exactly in the right spot, the balance point is not going to be good, and we won't catch the mouse. But first, I'm going to open this up, and I want you to put glue along this piece right here, and don't be too messy. Do you like being messy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay, put the glue right here. You have to kind of squeeze it on top. Ooh, there we go. Got some wood glue. Can we do it together? Ew, it's kind of gloopy. Okay, we're going to need more glue soon, but we have to put this right in the spot right here.
Yeah.
You like making mouse traps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I put some more?
So see how that balances? We got that piece. So next we're going to do the back, which is this piece here, and then the sides, and the top. So I need you to put it along here. Glue all that. We'll do it together. Oh, my dog's kind of growling too. He wants to be a part of this. Come here, bear. Oh. Okay, can you put this piece in? We're doing the puzzle with glue. There we go. Now we have the two sides. And so what I want you to do is I want you to put the glue here. Good job. It's pretty easy, huh? And we're going to put it along the bottom here. You think we're going to catch a lot of mice with this trap? All right, and we'll put it in like this. And we kind of push that down. Good job. That's going to be stuck until it dries. Okay, now we got to do the glue on this one too. Can you do that? Not too much, just enough to hold it together. You're good at gluing. Oopsie daisy. You don't push too hard, just enough. That all fits together, look at that. But what are we missing? Are we missing the top? Yeah, that's the door. So now we need to glue the top. And so what I need you to do is put glue here and along the sides. Can you do that too? Good job. Is this hard or easy?
Easy peasy mac and cheesy.
Easy peasy mac and cheesy? What's your favorite animal?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Okay, we got lots of glue on the lid. Can you help me push this down too? Make it all fit. There we go. So Ruby did a great job of adding the glue, and this is all ready, but we have to have the glue dry, and we're gonna hold it together with rubber bands. So can you help me put these on?
Yeah.
Don't snap my finger. Hey, you. Okay, let's put one on the front. Good job. And we'll go up and over for this one to really make sure that the heart stays in place at the exact spot. Okay, this will tilt very well. This is a door, so we don't need to glue that. As soon as this dries, we're going to go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and try to catch what with it?
Mousy.
We're going to try to catch a mousie with this. So let's go set up the motion cameras and see if we can catch a mouse with the trap that we built with Ruby as soon as this glue dries. When Ruby woke up this morning, the first thing she asked was, did I catch a mouse? And there is a mouse in the trap, so we're going to let it go. But when I checked the motion camera footage, I realized quite a bit happened last night. Now I checked it before I went to bed and it was set off with no mouse in there. And after checking the trail camera footage, I saw that's because a mouse climbed on top and tilted it. That's a major flaw with this trap is, if a mouse climbs on it without going inside, it potentially could set it off. But I reset it and then we caught a mouse. There are quite a few other animals, including a pack rat and a skunk, but most importantly, a stray cat. It's a really cool looking Siamese cat, and it was trying to hunt mice and try to get inside this trap, but it wasn't able to lift up the door. I'm sure the mouse inside is very glad that skunk or cat wasn't able to eat it. But we're going to take it outside and let it go. Ruby really wanted to set her mouse free. Okay, I have Ruby and Clementine here. They're really excited. They caught a mouse in the trap that Ruby built. Can you lift up the door and let the mouse go?
Lift it up.
Can you help her, Clementine? Okay. Now, here, can we see the camera? There, now, lift it up and let the mouse out. You see all that poop coming out? Kind of give it a little jiggle. Set it closer to the ground.
Oh, look at this tail.
I'll help you.
He's so shy.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's so cute.
Bye-bye, Mousy.
Bye, my pet mouse. Bye. Don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, bulls, and gophers. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Bye.